Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making homemade cream cheese from whole milk or full cream milk. So stay tuned and let's get started. This is basically a 2 ingredients recipe which includes just the milk and then some lemon juice, but you can also add some salt or any form of herb you enjoy as you make the cream cheese. Ingredients for today's homemade cream cheese include 4 cups of full cream milk. We also have 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll be using a sieve, the non-stick pan, a spare bowl, a silicone spatula, some cheesecloth, and then some bowls which the ingredients are in. We'll also be using a blender, the smallest part of it which is used for mixing or blending of dry ingredients, a spoon. We'll also be using a metallic tongue. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. We'll place the saucepan onto our source of heat, add in the milk and then stir until it slightly bubbles or simmers. When it slightly simmers or starts to produce bubbles, we'll start adding in the lemon juice 1 tablespoon at a time as we mix in for about 1 to 2 minutes after each addition of the lemon juice. After each addition of the lemon juice, you notice that the milk starts to form little curdles, and that is what we need for the cream cheese making. So continue adding in the lemon juice and then you will notice that our mixture for the cream cheese is obtained. This is how the mixture looks like after the addition of all 3 tablespoons of the lemon juice. Now place a bowl down, add onto it our sieve and then place into the sieve our cheesecloth. Then I'll take the milk mixture off the stove top and then pour it into the cheesecloth. Now let it sit for about 15 minutes to solidify and most of the water drains out of it. After 15 minutes of letting the cream cheese mixture sit, I'm going to remove the small part of the blender. Then I'll use the spoon to kind of remove the cream cheese mixture from the cheesecloth, and this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to fold the cheesecloth together and then I'll use the metallic tongue to press out any of the excess water from the cream cheese mixture. Then I'll pour it into the smallest part of the blender. Now add in a pinch of salt to taste. You can neglect this or still do same. I'll cover with the top bits and then place onto our blending machine to blend. After 2 to 3 minutes of blending and mixing, this is how it looks like. I'm going to transfer it into a bowl, and this is how it looks like, as creamy and as soft as possible. You could add in the water from the straining, which is called whey, and then use in any of the blendings that you want to do so that it becomes as soft and as creamy as you want it to be. But I wanted it just this way, to be on the solid or firm part, which I'll use for other recipes as I deem fit. Try this recipe out and let me know how it was for you in the comment section. To store your cream cheese frosting, you could place it into an airtight container and then store in your fridge for up to 2 weeks. Since there is no preservatives in it, it's something that after making you should use in the next recipe as soon as possible to prevent it from going bad. This is how it looks like after storing it into the container. I'll set it aside and then we'll move on to how to store the whey as well. To store the whey, you will need a jar or an airtight container as well. I'll use a measuring cup to fetch it from the bowl into the jar and then cover with the lid and set aside. The water obtained from the separation of the cream cheese frosting is called whey. It's something you can save and use in marinating of your meats to give it a nice flavor and taste. Since the lemon juice is in that mixture, it's going to take off every foul smell from your meats and leave you with a delicious taste. And this is how both look like. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we'll meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.